Hello everyone. We are the group of students from IISc Bangalore who have developed a website known as Improvised GenBank, which rectifies the drawbacks and limitations of the NCBI's GenBank. We identified some key problems during our research work. So, in our website, we have developed friendly ways to rectify these, such as we were facing some problems, such as irrelevant or confusing search results or poor intra-file search in GenBank, for which we have developed a new feature known as Smart Search, which ranks the result with filters. Basically, we can search an organism, plasmid, etc. to know its information efficiently. Now, I am going to show you how it works. Let me search an organism known as Phytobacter diexotrophicus. Now, we are given some files through which we can search anyone. Let me choose first. See, it shows the feature, sequence, raw GenBank file, plasmid map, and references. Actually, we can search a specific word in the file which make it different from other along with the number line, which allows us not to search whole file manually. Let me search Phytobacter and these are the results you can see along with the number line. Next, we have the plasmid visualization tool in which we have the circular map view and gene sequence view of the organism. For this, we have to we have to add an XML file and just have to press enter. As you can see is the circular map view and sequence view. Finally, we have the doc section which contains all the documentation of the website. Let me show you the documentation about API. This was implemented to fetch the data from the large database of GenBank's database. Next, we have the documentation for search feature. We describe the search functionality and algorithm we use in it. Next, we have the documentation of the plasmid visualization tool and all the things it describes. So, this is all we have in this website. Do check our website if you are facing any issue using NCBI's GenBank.